Hi, today I'm going to show you how to mute audio on the video in Kdenlive. So if you want to do it, you need to drag and drop your video to the timeline. And after that, you have here two options which you can implement in your video with audio. So if you want to mute your audio, you can click on this one option. This option will let you to mute your audio on the track. So now if you will play your video, you will not be able to hear any sounds. So it is the most easy way to do it. And the second option is based on effects tab. So we can go to effects, and of course I will unmute this track now. Now I can type on the search field something like mute. And now on volume and the dynamic settings, I can drag and drop mute effect to our audio. And now if I will click on it, I will be able to check that here mute effect has been successfully added here. So now you can play this video and how you see the effect is the same. So our audio is muted and you don't hear here any sounds, yeah? So it is how it works. If I helped you to do it, remember to send a tip to my channel using thank you option on YouTube. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching my tutorials.